So we looked at customizing the list using info path, and now let's look at the options in the list as such. So I'm going to go to list settings and then look at the various options here. We've got general settings, we've got permissions management, we've got communications. In the title, description, and navigation, you can change the title if you want. So first time when you're creating, you don't have to worry that is that the final one, can't you change it, you can always change it back. Next thing is versioning, again something very very important. So in versioning you've got one option here, you've got create a version each time you edit an item, which means every time somebody edits, it creates a version. So you can always roll back to the previous version.
Yeah, does this slow down the database?
No. It just increases the database.
No problem, but not the performance.
Nothing. Right?
You understand what I mean of version 1, version 2?
Oh, I will show you a demonstration with this.
The version means?
And I'll show you a demonstration of how this works. Okay. Now, next settings is your advanced settings. Advanced settings allows you to manage content types. We will discuss the content types in detail in the next lesson. But right now, if you look at certain options, it's really useful. Specify which items users are allowed to read. So, read items only created by the user. It's very nice. For example, I have a master list of about 20 countries, and if I have created 5 countries, when I log in, I only see the 5. The other 15 created by him, he sees that. So it's very nice actually to prevent people from looking at items that I have not created. Item level security, very useful. And create and edit access. Who can create and who can edit, etc. Attachments are enabled or disabled. So if somebody says, okay, in my requirement I don't have attachments, we will just disable it. Right? And then whether you want to have new folder command available, search. Now what you can also do is search results can be prevented from crawling in this place. For example, if you have a confidential master list, you can say no here. When you say no here, even if the text is matching, the search will not show the ad. Right. Next is you've got offline client availability. Now SharePoint also has an ability to view certain data offline, which means when I'm in, let's say, in the factory or something where I don't have internet connection, but I can take some documents from SharePoint, disconnect, go to the factory, review the documents, make some changes, save it back, and then when I come back to the office, connect, it synchronizes. Understand me? So this kind of offline access is enabled using a tool called SharePoint WorkSpace. The SharePoint WorkSpace allows you to look at that. SharePoint WorkSpace allows you to take documents offline and then read them when you are disconnected, and then come back and synchronize with your environment. Something which is very useful. Right? And then you can also disable the datasheet view, whether people should download or not download, and things like that. So very useful. Then we have the validation settings. Now we can also validate, specify validation. For example, we can say if we have discount and cost columns, we can say my SharePoint workspace, how it looks. Right now here I can disconnect SharePoint workspace, create a copy of your SharePoint site on your local computer. Right, so I can click on this again and say I want to configure this, say 888, then I say okay, it's going to now configure. See, it's syncing everything, it's bringing ABC fashion company inside, which is completely brilliant. I just create this and then I click on open workspace. See, everything is available. Now I click on my shared document, you can see the Word document.